Hello and welcome to the BotPenguin. In this video, we will understand how you can automatically set a tags using the single choice component in your chat flow. So let's get started. Simply log into your BotPenguin account and access the bot in which you would like to add the tag or want to use the single choice component. So let's say I have this flow opened for you, just an example, and I have added the single choice component in the chat flow, and I have two questions here, two options that I have given. One is question and second is live chat, and I can add more options from here if I want to. And now moving to the part how we can automatically assign a tag to these particular options. So once the customer will get this question in the chat flow, they will get these options: question, live chat, and option 3. So whenever they will click on any of the option, automatically the flow will move as per our configuration here. So now let's say I want to assign a tag to this particular question option. So I can click on this more option, and from here I get an option to assign a tag. Okay, let's say I have this already tag. I will assign it from here, and if I want to change the chat status of this, I can choose that option from here. Let's say new one. And if I want to assign this chat to a particular team member, that I can also do from here only. And that, let's say it will be assigned to J. I will be able to see that in the inbox. And last thing is subscriber status. I can subscribe and unsubscribe the particular user from here. Alright. So these are the options that you get in the single choice option. So now let's test it real quick and let's see if we get these options that we have configured here in our inbox. Alright, as you can see, the chat flow has been configured here that we have set. Now I will simply click on this question option that we have configured, and once I click on this question component, I must receive the tag and the assigned agent in my inbox. The name came here and status was new one. I can change the status, and tag was already. So these are the things that we configured inside the single choice component, and you can see these things in the inbox if you configure it this way. Alright, that's all about this video, how you can use the single choice component and how you can configure these settings using the single choice component. If you have any queries regarding this, please let us know. We will surely help you with that. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for choosing BotPenguin. Bye.